In front of me is Honor Magic 6 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Gallery app and selecting photos or albums at the bottom. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, hold one of your photos that you wish to delete. And to select multiple right away, tap on those type of dots at the top right corners. To exclude some of your pictures that you wish to keep, click on the chosen ones. And then to delete the rest, use this bin at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!